third quarter. Jem Cruz spots up, gets the free. Does not force up a shot. Bola na agaw ni Espinosa. Outlet. Nice pass to Andre Jacob.
That's the 15th point of Andre Jacob. And it's only down to
23.
23. 25 ulit, sabi ni Chris Xavier.
Maines takes off. Pinomba pa. Malakas lang. Kabawan will put it back up and in. Baguio settles for a free to the top teams in the North Division.
Yes, but I think last year kasi when their coach, Mike Tan, arrived in this team, was medyo late na rin. I think Mike was added, medyo patapos na rin yung eliminations, if I remember right. So yung system ni Coach Mike, nung pinapasok niya, talagang ngayon pa lang. Ngayon pa lang talaga nakukuha. And look at those extra passes. Talagang they're enjoying passing those balls.
Rafi Octobre with a basket underneath. He might just see an appearance later from Boss Alan Goyenechea.
Pwede silang maging contender dito. I think they could enter the playoff.
Because apart from those three teams, Astante Baguio will tip it in. The first defeat of Mekawayan Marilao, who is also part of that conversation, Coach Vic.
Yes, a lot of teams in the North talaga ang naglalaro. Kaya kanina nung sinabi natin na yung South, nakita natin ngayon.
What are the things that they could work on moving forward? Especially they have a young team. Tutoy Ramirez for the layup.
Another assist in their name. Okay naman ang Bulacan eh. Maturity. Medyo bata pa talaga yung team. Medyo mas mabilis, trapping team sila, tumatakbo talaga. Yun yung tingin ko magiging advantage sila dito sa team. Sa ibang team sa makakalaban nila.
Masyadong matulis yung kanyang tira. So just looking at this young season, Coach Vic. Naalala ko, yung LPU, hindi pa yan nasa NCAA nung naglalaro siya. Di ba, Coach?
Oo. And he ended up playing in the PBA.
Dante Baguio. But I'm pretty sure if you're the coaching staff of Bataan, you like how they're playing right now. 97-64. Bola na agaw ni Supay salpak ni Dante Baguio. Comes away with a steal, Gary David. Going for 100, yes! 45 seconds left. Tutoy Ramirez, daming dinaanan, laying it up and in. Bulacan, they won their opening assignment against Parañaque. Lost to Batangas City. And here, just listless against a very inspired Bataan squad. Meron daw iba na whether it's a blowout loss or a one-point loss, hindi nagkakaiba eh. What's your take on that, Coach Vic?
What do you mean? Dun sa
Kumbaga, kung tambak o dikit, pareho lang. Minsan may mga ganun eh.
Oo, walang difference yun. Parang ano yun, a win is a win eh. Ganun din pag natalo ka, kesa 1 point yan or blowout.
And the Orion crowd, jubilant. And for good reason, 3-0, the One Bataan Risers taking care of business.